Fort Gaines is located on the eastern tip of Alabama's Dauphin Island and has guarded the mouth of Mobile Bay for over 150 years. The fort was named for Edmund Pendleton Gaines and is best known for its role in the Battle of Mobile Bay during the American Civil War. In 1707, the French named Dauphin Island in honor of their heir to the French throne, Dauphin, and served as the capital of the Louisiana Territory. Over the next century, however, control of the island changed hands from France to Great Britain to Spain, and finally to the United States in 1813. It was in 1819 that construction on the fort began. Major snafus and cost overruns plagued the project for years. The fort wasn't completed until 1853. In early August of 1864, Fort Gaines was under siege from land and sea, day and night. While many of the soldiers in the garrison had seen combat at the Battle of Shiloh, others, such as the Pelham cadets, some as young as 13 years old, were getting their first taste of war. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this tour of Fort Gaines. If so, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.